Good afternoon, traders. It is Friday, November 27th, 2020, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Somehow I forgot that today was a short trading session, so it kind of took me for a surprise. Um, they stopped trading 3 hours uh, before regular closing time. Really didn't make any difference, but I I'm glad actually I didn't know, because if I thought we had a short trading session on Freaky Friday, the day between Thanksgiving and a weekend, I would have figured for certain we were going to get killed. That's all just kind of a bad combination. Turned out a good day for us. So that made me pretty happy. We had, well, first of all, you can see here with the Dow. The Dow didn't do much at all. It gapped up this morning, but that was, even though that wasn't a big gap, it was quite helpful for our exits from the 13 positions we had yesterday. And then it slipped briefly back into negative territory and then bounced back at the end, finishing officially up 37 points. So the Dow is just kind of resting after its record breaking day back here on Wednesday. Or was that Tuesday? Yeah. Anyway, so we have kind of a sideways moving Dow. I would anticipate that it's going to go up next week and take out these highs and resume its very bullish mode. Anyway, we had 13 positions coming in. We were positive $7,000 on those 13 positions on the close um, on Wednesday, and we got out of those with positive over $23,000. So that was just fantastic, you know. And out of those 13 positions, we only had three losers, and those were just tiny little losses. Everything else was positive. No huge gains in there, but you know, uh, things were good. So we did really well. We got into 10 new positions, 4 positive, 6 negative, and we are still carrying positive $3,800 over the weekend. So all that looked really good. I'll show you two of the stocks. Uh, this first one is IPOB, and that is Social Capital Hedosophia Holdings. It's a weird name, and I spent about 15 minutes trying to figure out what the heck this company was, and I couldn't figure it out. Now, I only spent 15 minutes on it. I'm sure if I wanted to research, it doesn't make too much difference. I did figure out, though, that they're in the process of trying to merge with another company, and that could be putting upside pressure on price, you know. And if they announce a merger over the weekend, that could help us. Here's what happened. We bought this on Wednesday, big gap up this morning. We got it kind of stopped out there with profits, but we still were stopped out with $5,500. So that's a good trade. Then we get re-entered on this thing with 30 minutes to go in the short session. So we're still in that stock, and anyway, I'm doing the um, the portfolio for December, and I'm dropping this stock. But even if I'm dropping it, we still will trade it until the system gets us out of the trade. So we'll hold it regardless. You know, it'll be my luck that after dropping it, it screams wildly topside on Monday. Who knows? We'll just have to see. And then the other good stock that we had here is GME. That's GameStop Corporation. I know what they do. I have a 19-year-old son that's obsessed with video games, so I know all about GameStop. Anyway, GameStop on Wednesday did a pop up on the second hour. We bought it, closed profitably. Bigger pop up today. Again, we were stopped out with profits just like IPOB, and we took $5,900 out of GameStop. So that was a real good trade too. Anyway, nice way to end a fabulous week, and I hope you guys have a great great Thanksgiving. No, a belated Thanksgiving greetings, and have a great weekend. All I can say is I'm glad I didn't take this week off, because in spite of the holiday break and all that, we had one of our best weeks ever this week. So anyway, have a great weekend. I'll be back here on Monday trading as usual.